Moving away from the conventional cryptocurrencies, Uniswap operates on a decentralized peer-to-peer exchange automated market maker to enable the trading of crypto assets. Also, it improves traditional exchanges. Before we dig into the Uniswap price prediction, let us have a look at some of the unique features of Uniswap. Being linked to Ethereum enabled as two smart contracts to earn interest, Uniswap has a unique feature and provide liquidity directly from liquidity providers. This feature of Uniswap acts as a major catalyst in entirely removing the hurdle concerning token mining. In a manner, it promotes transparency, eliminating the middleman or permission entirely. Hence, instead of the individual cryptocurrencies, the digital assets are linked as pairs. Hence the liquidity gets governed for these parts accordingly. As a decentralized protocol for automated liquidity provision on ETH, Uniswap took the entire crypto space by surprise when during pandemic Uniswap decided to launch this token Uniswap on September 17, 2020. This was magic for all those holding Uniswap as they turned millionaires on September 17, 2020. While taking the crypto world by storm, a wave of platforms governance tokens started ruling the crypto discussions again. Now, let's check out the Uniswap coin details before we jump to detailed Uniswap price prediction. The vision of Uniswap stands tall and firm. Leaving footprints on the technological and functional eco-space, Uniswap nurtures hope along with convenience, making the lives of the Uniswap users worldwide easy. There are factors apart from the above that govern the Uniswap price objectively, viz. The relationship between supply and demand is the age-old phenomenon of contradictory relation works for Uniswap token. Traders come to market with aspirations that the Uniswap cryptocurrency market they hold will promise great returns. However, due to pandemic, investors are compelled to look for other hedging strategies or any alternative current investment option. If the demand for decentralized finance apps goes up, it will be healthy for Uniswap tokens too. The more the holders start buying the token on a huge scale, no wonder the price shall go up, bringing the supply may come down. Uniswap change in price happening above these averages will show strong momentum. Currently, the price of $40 as shown by Uniswap is moderate but opportunistic and can shoot to better heights. As per Uniswap price predictions, this is the most appropriate time to book profit in the Uniswap by exploiting your skills as a swing trader. In order to understand the price fluctuations of Uniswap better, it would be good to dig deeper into the past chronicle of Uniswap. The only relief factor about pandemic is that it has not done any sort of discrimination when it comes to currencies. Most of the fiat currencies, as well as for cryptocurrencies, have met with the same unfortunate fate. Many investors are still apprehending the clash of the remaining titans, considering whether it is really worth investing in Uniswap. Even though the coin has shown a great sustaining performance in the last year, many market mentors surmise the bull run could be distant, while the others debate entirely differently. The current price of Uniswap is above $10. With the digital asset Uniswap token having a market capitalization of $6,707,508,563, it is undoubtedly an optimism in crypto space prevailing in the distant horizon based on Uniswap price forecast. The current ATH and new ATH will be having huge difference. Uniswap price prediction 2022. Having started late in just last year, the Uniswap price action will ride a bullish trend throughout 2022, will continue riding news waves going forward into 2023. Somewhere in between the years 2022 and 2023, the price movements of Uniswap to USD could be seen taking it to a higher point pegged at $15, followed by an immediate sharp correction by the end of 2022. Considering the first year, according to Uniswap price prediction 2022, the minimum price would reach to $12 and maximum price to $15. The average price would be $13.50. Uniswap price prediction 2023. Fluctuating between $14 and $17, according to Uniswap price prediction 2023, the price of Uniswap may show some resistance, but it can't be said with certainty about the positive change of price of Uniswap as to whether these 3 years would mark the golden era for this cryptocurrency Uniswap. There could be some significant changes in crypto industry scenarios, market positions, economic overruns, policy restructuring, or any other political reason for the coin to host its performance on exchange. Uniswap, however, is known to be resilient and consistent. Both global economics may too have their own effect on Uniswap price movement. According to Uniswap prediction, the minimum price would reach to $14 and maximum price to $17.20. The average price would be $15. Uniswap price prediction 2024. Some experts also predict, according to Uniswap price prediction, that price correction may also be effective around this period, taking the Uniswap price around $18 in 2024, riding as a market maker. In the first half the price would reach up to $18.50. Region-specific changes too affect the price of Uniswap. Hence, reaching towards its futuristic goals, one thing that can be guaranteed about the Uniswap token is that the stars are bright for this asset. Having revolutionized the entire global page of transactions, Uniswap token embarks on the voyage of leaving a remarkable footprint on this ecosystem. Uniswap Price Prediction 2025. As per Uniswap price prediction and our own research, some speculations around the price of Uniswap in 2023 also highlights that Uniswap would ride the bull market by 2025. Uniswap might even reach a new high of $22. Uniswap seems now to be racing to set a record, affirming its position, showing stability. According to Uniswap prediction, in the first half, it would go up to $16 and the maximum price would reach to $23 in the year 2025. Uniswap Price Prediction 2026. According to Uniswap price prediction, as this year is preceded by the mining event, there should be a bullish movement driving the price of Uniswap to continue towards a minimum price level of $25 for sure. In the first half it would reach to $24 and in the long term it would reach to $26. This should be a good Uniswap forecast attraction for traders and individual investors to pour in their money into Uniswap Kitty, and we might see positive price change. According to Uniswap price prediction, there are great hopes the crypto community holds for Uniswap, and it is surely an ideal tool for developers and engineers generating more such decentralized applications. Considering Uniswap is a recent project and naive in the community, it is up to the leadership team to give it the desired direction to optimize the goals set for the purpose of a higher price. There are brighter horizons, but it all boils down to the fact how the entire digital currency industry thrives.